Hello, everybody. Welcome to Study for Investing. Today, we are going to discuss the stock LTTS, LNT Technology Service Limited. This is a standard disclaimer that this is not a investing advice, and this is just for study purpose. About the company, basically, LNT Technology Services belong to LNT Group, which is a very renowned brand and good governance company, not only in India but over the world. And LNT Technology Group, this company provides engineering research and development. As you can see that they provide services in North America, Europe, India, and internationally. So they are all across the world, and um, they are having good capability in terms of plant engineering, product development, telecom, and high-tech segments. And this stock is in direct comparison with a Tata Group stock, which is Tata Elxsi. Um, so both are good stocks in terms of uh, future growth prospects, in terms of giving services for engineering. So when we are going to do the study of this stock, we will study in terms of valuation, future growth, past performance, financial health, dividend management, and ownership. So currently, the stock is trading at 2,154. As per the valuation of the analyst, they have given us a score of 1 is to 6. So when it's compared to the peers, it looks good. For example, when it's compared to the Tata Group of Company stock, which is Tata Elxsi, the PE is much less compared to Tata Elxsi. But when it's compared to the industry, it's not too good, and even it's not too good when it's compared to its fair ratio. And also, the analyst forecast is not looking that good. So the fair ratio, the fair PE for this stock is 25, and the current PE is about 35. So it's trading high here. The debt to equity of this stock looks very good. It's a debt-free company, and you can see here that the debt of the company is almost negligible compared to its equity. So it's a very good stock in terms of debt to equity. In terms of ownership breakdown, um, the most almost major stocks is with the strong hands. 74% is with the public companies, which is mostly L&T Group, and some institution owned about 10%, and with the general public, there is about 16%. So as you can see here, that the major stockholder is L&T Group in the company with about 74%, and LIC has increased its stake by 8.5%. The FII, such as Vanguard Group, has also increased its stake by 2%. Some of the other institutions have increased by 300%. Here, UTIS has decreased its stake by 5%. Insider trading volume. So, as you can see here, that in the past 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, the insiders has been selling the stock. Nobody has bought this stock. So there is a lot of selling which is going on for this stock, which is not a good sign. Um, the share price when it's compared to this fair value. So the fair value is computed by the analyst as 1,387. When it's compared to its current price, it's currently trading very high. Again, it's not a good sign. For short-term trading, the analyst price targets for 1 year doesn't seem good. So at the moment, in 2023 compared to 2024, there is a decline of share price by about, means the forecast is uh, forecasted to decline by about 10%. So this doesn't seem good. The rewards for the shares are the earnings are being growing for this company by 13%. And the earning has been growing for the past 5 years at 12%. But the downside is there is significant insider selling going on for the past 3 months. When we compare the present quarterly result with this past result, the EPS has grown, the earning per share has grown to 28 compared to its previous 23, which is a good sign. The revenue is growing, so it's up 23% compared to the previous quarter. The net income has gone up by 22%. The profit margin, they managed to keep it in line with the previous quarter. And the revenue is forecasted to grow at 15% for the next 3 years. But the only downside for this is in the last 3 years, the earning per share has increased by 14%, but the company share price has increased by 23%, which means that its share price is tracking much ahead than its earning, which doesn't seem good. The stock price has risen a lot compared to its earning. So, so the current price, um, as per the analyst forecast, seems that is it's too high, and for short-term trading, it might not be a good bet. But for people who are considering it for long-term, the future growth looks good. So this is the analysis for LTTS. I hope you liked it. Thank you.